Today, we are gathered here to celebrate the successful conclusion of the extraordinary 6-week STEM program.
በዚህ ፕሮግራም ጊዜያቸውን ዕውቀታቸውን ላካፈሉ በሙሉ ምስጋናችንን እናቀርባለን።
ተመራቂዎችም መምህራንም አየር መንገድም ቦይንግም እንኳን ደስ አላችሁ።
I would like to sincerely present gratitude to Boeing and Ethiopian Airlines for hosting this incredible project.
The STEM training program was organized by Ethiopian Airlines and Boeing together. This is the 4th year we're doing this.
Ethiopian Airlines, as part of its continued strategy, is very proud and engaged to facilitate this training for our youngsters.
እዚህ ኮርስ ተሳታፊ በመሆኔ በጣም ደስተኛ ነኝ።
We just take the hard skill and the soft skills.
በህይወቴ ባገኛቸው ብዬ ከማስባቸው ስኪሎች ውስጥ አብዛኞቹን አግኝቻለሁ።
ያሳለፍኩት ጊዜም ለወደፊቱ ህይወቴ ትልቁ መሰረት የጣለ ነው።